Hello guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add transition and Capcut. I'm going to add a new project for this tutorial, and then I'm going to just use a photo. So I'm going to use four of this photo, oops, and add it into the editor page. Okay, so like this, there are four photos. I'm going to delete the ending first, and to add a transition, it's so easy. You just need to click on this uh, lines or on this box right here. Just click on that. Oops. And then the transition menu will appear like this. There are so many category that you can use as a transition. For example, there are social media, camera, like this, pull out, or there are also slide effects like this. You can just try it out first without applying with before applying to your video. So like this. Okay, going to just use one of it, and you can also adjust the duration of the transition to your video, and you can also apply to all of your uh video or all of your picture, because I use pictures in my editor right now. So I'm going to apply to all, and this has been applied to all clips, and then just click on the check icon, and then you can just play to see the results. Okay, so just like that, it will apply into your whole video. Okay, so that's all. That is how you can add transition in CapCut. It's so easy, and I think you can follow it right away. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye bye.